Stop the cycle of snoring in your life. If you snore while you sleep and people around you find this annoying, then you want to have a look through this video. Snoring is something that you can learn to reduce while you sleep. A lot of people don't know this, yet what you read ahead is going to show you how. Some people find sleeping with pillows stacked under their back to be helpful in reducing snoring. This puts you in a nearly sitting position. This will help stop the nose from getting stuffed with mucus, and will allow your nose to stay clear. In other words, this will stop you from snoring. If you smoke, quit. Smoking causes respiratory issues, and may actually be causing your snoring problem. To relieve that nighttime rattling, put down the cigarettes. Not only will this help quiet your snoring, but you may also find yourself getting better sleep overall, since nicotine is well known for disrupting sleep patterns. If you are finding that snoring is being an issue to you, have a look at the scales and see if you are currently overweight. If you are carrying excess weight, then you need to look at getting rid of it so that you can relieve the pressure which is being put on your airways. One trick that many spouses have learned when they have to sleep with a snorer is to nudge them until they turn over on their side. The change in position will often alleviate the problem, at least temporarily. While it is no fun to have to constantly nudge your spouse, sometimes that is the only way you can get to sleep. So now that you have a better idea about how to get rid of your snoring while you sleep, you should start to feel a bit more optimistic about reducing the amount of snoring you do while you sleep. Just remember that it takes time, don't expect to see results right away, and you should notice a difference soon. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.